Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank, created by Sarah Valentine, the actor's accent coach. My name is Tam. I was born in Jakarta and I grew up in Jakarta, Indonesia. This is my natural accent. I usually wake up early in the morning and make myself a coffee before starting the day. If I have time, I'll sit by the window, check my messages, and think about everything I need to do. I enjoy good food, good company, and having a laugh with people I trust. I parked my car near the large dark garage at the far end of the road. The weather today is warm and bright, but the air feels calm and light. I like walking along the beach, listening to the waves, and watching the sky change color. Would you like a glass of water, or would you prefer some juice? When I travel, I enjoy noticing how people speak differently from place to place. Some accents sound sharp and quick, while others feel slower and more relaxed. Often, it's the small vowel changes that make the biggest difference. I also want to share some of the local expressions and phrases that are commonly used in here. For the first one, we have gak apa-apa, which is a shortened form of tidak apa-apa, which translates to it's okay or it's fine. Then, we also have terserah, which translates to whatever or up to you. Next, we have sumpah, which translates to two things depending on the context. First one is I swear when you want to assure someone. Second one is really when someone's asking if they're being true to their word. Now, I'm going to count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And for the alphabet, A for apple, B for banana, C for coffee, D for door, E for evening, F for father, G for garden, H for holiday, I for ice cream, J for journey, K for kitchen, L for language, M for mother, N for number, O for orange, P for paper, Q for question, R for river, S for Sarah, T for tomorrow, U for umbrella, V for Valentine, W for water, X for x-ray, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. Thank you for listening. If you would like to learn accents for acting or voice work, please visit actorsaccentcoach.com. On a side note, I grew up with English as my second language since I was little, so I'm already accustomed to the conventional English accent instead of having a usual Indonesian accent. But I hope this video can still help people in learning accents from around the world. Bye bye!